Hey everybody, I'm Stacy Lyn, and we are having company, and I wanted to show you what I'm making for the company. This is a wonderful side dish, or for me, sometimes I would have this as my lunch or whatever, and I think you're gonna love it. So I'm gonna show you real quick how to make this. First, I made a wonderful herbaceous ground meat. I don't know what you want to call that. I made it from my meatball recipe that has parsley and thyme and rosemary and all kinds of great spices, a little bit of mustard mixed in there with a little bit of cumin. So that is what this is right here. But you could just use ground sausage that you get from the store. You could use just about any kind of meat that you want. You could use venison, duck, pheasant. It doesn't really matter. Now, I'm going to be stuffing a pepper. Now, a lot of people like to take the top off of the pepper and then put the top back on. But I feel like that's too much, and you don't get to taste the really great pepper flavor. So I just like to prepare my little, my pepper and take the seeds out, okay? And then stuff it. So it's going to be super easy. I like to put a little bit of cheese. Now I have you can have any kind of melting cheese you want or anything in your refrigerator. I've got a little bit of Parmesan I'm putting in the bottom and a little bit of goat cheese, and we made some earlier today with a little bit of blue cheese. Okay, then I like to get one of my heirloom tomatoes and just cut a slice, a wedge right out. I made that a little bit too thick, okay? And just put it right down in to your bell pepper, okay? I'm gonna do the other one right over here. All right, get another slice. All right, okay, so then I put a little bit more cheese on top of that. All right, and I'm gonna put a little bit of herbs. See how fast this is? This is so easy and so fast. So I've got a little bit of parsley, a little bit of rosemary, a little bit of thyme. Then I'm gonna top it with some of this yummy meat. And I like to get it really nice and crisp. It looks overdone, but to me, I love it when it has a little bit of that caramelization on it. I think it is so good. We're also having venison sandwiches, meatball sandwiches today, and they are gonna be scrumptious too. So it's gonna be a feast. It's gonna be so, so good. Okay. So I'm going to top it with a little bit of Reggiano, Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay, now I'm going to show you some that I already have in the oven so that you can see what the final result will look like. All right, these have been in there for about 30 minutes. To me, they're probably still not quite ready. So I'm going to add a little bit more cheese to the top, just like that. And then at the end, when I serve them, I'm going to put a little bit of parsley over the top and a little bit of cut onions. Here we go. That's not at all wanting to come out. Okay, put that back in here, and I'm telling you, this is one of the most scrumptious meals. Oh my gosh, with that meat and fresh tomatoes. And I'm not a big bell pepper lover, but when I eat them like this, I could eat them all day long. I could eat them every day of the summer. They are so good. And a little bit of that meat on there, caramelized, and then onions to top it off with. Oh my gosh, dreamy. So anyway, I'm excited. I hope my guests like it. We have a lot of activity going on in the kitchen. My husband's making meatballs over here. Say hey, Scott.
Hello.
And then we've got bread pudding that we're gonna be having for dessert. And we've got peas, and we're stringing our peppers from the garden. So a ton of activity. But y'all, I hope you have a great day, and I hope you'll give this recipe a try. It's on my website at stacylynharris.com. Please visit it, subscribe, and you'll get a free preserving ebook download. Talk to you later. Bye.